Hey friends, happy Wednesday. I am now here with you today doing lesson 23 and do the math. Today we will be playing fraction games. We are going to focus on Uncover 1 because that's the one you guys are most familiar with having played before. And then I'll let you discover Uncover 2 on your own if you would like to. There's just a few different, one different thing in that game. But today I'm just going to focus on the first Uncover game, okay? So the only difference from last time to this time playing this game is that you will be using different fractions. So I gave you the spinner yesterday and I also put it in today that has the half, the third, the fourth, the sixth, and 2/12 on there, 1/12 and then another 12th. So when it's your turn, you will have three choices. You will be able to remove a piece that is the size shown on the fraction that you spend. You can exchange any of the pieces on your whole strip for those equivalent pieces, or you can do nothing. But if you remember, it's kind of tricky when you first start this game because you have these two half fractions that are on the whole piece. And sometimes you're just not so lucky in rolling a half, okay? And you might sit there the whole time rolling and rolling and rolling and never get a half. So the first turn, we have in the past, and we will do it this times too, is if you can break that half down with the fraction that you roll, you can do it. So here we go. I rolled 1/12. So I can take this 1/2 and I will replace it with all 1/12. I'm exchanging it, okay? This allows me to be able, sorry, these fraction pieces don't want to work with me. By doing this, this allows me, okay, I'm not exactly lined up, but I'm trying. Okay, this allows me to have more options when we're playing, okay? So let me see what I can do here. I may not be able to remove, or I may be able to switch out, or nothing at all. Let's see. 1/3. Well, if you look at the size of a 1/3, we could actually take away I could do nothing at all, or I could switch it out. That gives me more options, okay? All right, so let me roll again. 1/3. Lucky me, I get to remove my 1/3 piece. Look how much of a whole strip I have showing. Our goal is we want to be able to see the entire whole strip. 1/4. I do not have a 1/4, so I'm going to roll again. 1/4. I do not, so I'm going to roll again. I do have a 1/12 that I can remove. So I'm going to roll. I have another 1/12. More of my blue whole strip is showing. And what do you know? Luck has it. I was able to uncover my entire strip. So I hope this kind of helps you remember exactly how the game works. The only thing that is different in Uncover 2 is that if you were to roll, let's say you rolled, I'm going to put up 4 of these, okay? So let's just say you rolled a 1/3, okay? You rolled a 1/3. Well, 4/12 is equivalent to 1/3, so you could take all 4 of your 12ths off, okay? So basically, the Uncover 2 allows you to remove the fractions, the smaller fractions that are equal to the bigger fractions, okay? So, so I was able to remove 4/12 because it was equivalent to 1/3. So you could play either Uncover or Uncover 2, one or the other, or both, but that is what is for the lesson today. So enjoy and find a partner. Use a sibling or your parent, and you'll need your spinner and your fraction strip. And the directions are on page 42 and 43 in your workbook. So be sure to use your resources and read the directions. And maybe just start with the uncover game first and then go into uncover two if you'd like. All right, that's it for today, friends. I hope you all have a wonderful Wednesday, and I will be bringing you lesson 24 tomorrow. Bye.